Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can find taxes using the Free Tax USA. So first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. Okay, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Free Tax USA. And then you have this first website, so you just have to simply tap on this one and you will be directed to this section. So all you have to do here is to sign up for an account. Okay, so here you just have to tap on the create new account option, and then you just have to provide your email address, your username. Make sure that your username is available, your phone number. So this one is recommended as well, and then you just have to create your password, and then after that you just have to confirm your password. So after that, you'd be directed to the personal section. So you have to give your personal information. So starting off with your first name, your last name, your occupation, and etc. So you just have to provide everything. Okay, next is your filing status. So once you are done, so what is your filing status? So if you are single, married, filing jointly, married, filing separately, so you just have to choose your option. And then for the dependents, so here, do you have any dependents or qualifying children? So if you have, then you just have to add a dependent right here. So tap on the add a dependent. Okay, and then here next is the personal information summary. So you'll be able to see here now your personal information summary. Okay, so once everything is good, then you'll proceed to the income section. So here in the income section, okay, so you just have to click on any income items that may apply to you. So we have here the common income, so we have wages and salaries, investments and savings. We also have the unemployment compensation, social security benefits, taxable social security benefits. So here you have the add options at the right side. So if this item apply to you, then you just have to tap on the add option. Then you just have to edit or add here now the amount. Okay, next one is the deduction and or credits. So do you have any of this deduction? So they were going to help you find the tax breaks you qualify for. So here we have homeowner, so Form 1098, mortgage interest, property tax, and etc. And made a donation, money, clothing, furniture, and etc. Out of pocket medical expenses, taxes paid, investment interest paid, disaster casualty and fees, other itemized deductions. For example, homeowner form. So here, for example, we are going to select this options to tap on the save and continue after that. Now, let's fill out your itemized deduction. Okay, so here you just have to tap on the start option. Okay, so here tap on the your option and then tap on the save and continue, and then tap on continue. Okay, so how much did you pay in real estate taxes? Let's see, for example, around $200. That's right. Okay, and for our donations to charities, okay, so here donations are deductible if you made them to a qualified organization such as church, nonprofit organizations, or other charitable organizations. The donations you made directly to individuals in need aren't deductible. So cash donations, if you would like to enter your total amount of cash donations, so tap on yes, and then I just have to add it right here. So for example, $250 and non-cash donations. So I'm just going to add here 100. Okay, and for our during the 2025 we're volunteering for a charity, so 100, and then tap on save and continue. So once you're done, tap on continue. Okay, so here most people take the standard deduction, so you're in good company. So itemized deduction, that's right, or the standard deduction. So So I'm just going to select the itemize deduction. I'm sure I want to itemize my deduction, save and continue. Okay, so did you have health insurance from the marketplace? So I'm just going to select no and save and continue. And if you have contributed to an IRA, so I just have to select yes or no for this one. Okay, so save and continue. So did you have a college expenses? So I'm just going to select no. That's right. Did you pay student loan interest? So no for this one. And did you have teacher expenses? No. Okay, so tap on continue. So here I'm just going to select no as well. And did you make your home more energy efficient? So I'm just going to select no for this one. Okay, and did you pay for childcare? Okay, now tap on continue. Okay, so let me just, so if you have a specific amount for any of the health and family deductions and credits, so just have to add them right there. Okay, so here is our 2025 deduction and credit summary. So we'd be able to see that right here, and we scroll down all the way here, tap on the continue. Okay, so we're making great progress. That's right. Now let's go to our miscellaneous. Okay, so right here are the miscellaneous forms and topics. These items are in common and most people do not need them. So for example, we have your payments. So 2025 estimated tax payments, extension payments, 2026 estimated tax payment. Okay, so if you have any of this, then you just have to add your details and then tap on continue once you're done. For the refund maximizer, so if you want an answer a few more questions to see if they can increase the refund, so you can maximize my refund, so you can answer some questions, but I'm just going to skip and finish filing. Okay, so for the federal tax summary, so we have that right here. Okay, so I'm just going to continue. Okay, and for our summary, look how far you've come. Okay, so we have that right here. So now let's continue to the state and summary. Okay, so I'm just going to save and continue for this one. That's right, save and continue. So you just make sure to answer. Okay, so let me just finish this up. Okay, so let me just select my option. Okay, so save and continue. Okay, so I'm just going to select this one to save and continue after that. So here, just tap on save and continue. So just make sure to read and then answer. Okay, so here, for example, I'm just going to tap out $600. All right, so for this one, so I'm just going to type out 100 or other description. Okay, and then you just have to input the rest of the details right here. And for your final steps, you would be able to see here now your tax filing. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.